Translate and solve simple word problems. I'm calling them simple word problems because there's not a whole paragraph. It's usually just one sentence, maybe two sentences most. So that's why it's simple. Not that it's actually simple. So when you see a problem like this, first thing you do, like any word problem, is read the problem. So the sum of twice a number and 7 is equal to the sum of the number and 6. Next thing you do is you try to pick out what are some of these key words and what do they mean. So you should know sum means plus. Twice means 2 times. So twice a number means 2 times x. The word and reaches back here and grabs sum. So this is where my plus sign goes. And then I have the number 7. Is equal to. You should have no problems when you see is equal to, you automatically think equals. Again, we have the word sum. So again, that means plus. Of the number means x. The word and here reaches back again and grabs this word sum. So that's where my plus sign is going. And then I have my number 6. So now I'm going to squeeze all of this together. I have twice a number, 2x, and reaches back for the sum, plus 7 is equal to the sum of the number and 6. So sum doesn't go into place until we get to the word and. So we have number, then sum, then 6. That's my translation. Next, I need to solve it. So first thing I want to do with this, does my letter show up more than one time? Yes. I want to get my letters all on the same side of the equal sign. Personal preference, I like positive coefficients. So I'm going to subtract the x from there over to here. Those x's cancel out. I have 2 minus an understood 1 is 1x. Carry down my plus 7. Carry down my equal sign. Carry down my positive 6. I no longer need to write that plus sign. Finish solving. Subtract the 7 away. 1 times anything is just itself, so I'm simplifying also. The 7 minus 7 cancels out. I have my equal sign. 6 minus 7 is negative 1. I want to check my answer. Remember, you always need to check your answer. So I'm going to take this negative 1 and I'm going to replace x with it. So I have 2 times negative 1 plus 7, and I'm asking, does that equal negative 1 plus 6? So I type that into my calculator. I'm going to do it by hand here. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Carry over my plus 7. Negative 2 plus 7 is 5. Over here on this side, negative 1 plus 6 is 5. So yes, this does work out. And there is my second part of the answer. The first part is just the translation. The second part is, what is x?